Hi, I'm PJ Farr, the Managing Director here at UK Connect, and we are a UK national provider of advanced wireless connectivity and IoT solutions, predominantly serving the UK construction and Ministry of Defence sectors.
We worked with the UK Connect team to define their brand strategy and ultimately set it up for usage across all of their digital products. So we kicked things off with a brand strategy workshop. This is a lean but essential way of really starting to understand the brand, define the vision, and how we plan to communicate that, and ultimately set up some cues for where we can take the direction of the visual identity. After we defined all the core brand elements, we bring it into the digital brand guidelines, and we prefer to use Figma. So Figma enables us to make a more direct connection between brand and product. Off the back of the company growth, it was really key for us to essentially evolve the brand more for digital, looking at the logo, the colour palette, ensuring it was accessible and could work across all of their digital products and touch points. The typography, making sure that we picked a typeface that really represented them and could tell their story in the right way, and also introducing some graphical devices for their marketing team to adopt and essentially take the brand forward once it leaves us. And like many clients, this is an ongoing relationship, and we ensured that the brand guidelines were set up for that. It's there to guide their team, but at the same time invites them to evolve it over time.
Working with Kyan was great because I felt like everyone in Kyan is really invested in the client they're working with, and you guys have got the skill set in-house to, I think, really listen to not the needs but what the expected outcome is, and then design the brand that's going to work around that. Our two companies work well together because we share similar values, and I feel like you guys are invested in me and we're invested in you, and it's a journey we're on together. So yeah, that's why I like working with you guys.